at the lovely chubby seaside of Southend at Adventure Island to ride some thrilling coasters.
Our challenge today is to have the cheapest theme park trip, as we know some theme parks can be a little bit pricey, so let's go. Starting with parking. So to park at the seafront, it is £3 for an hour, however it is free after 6 PM. But we did arrive at 5:45, so we stayed in the car for 15 minutes until it was 6 o'clock to get our free parking. Woo! So the theme park is actually free to enter. You can buy wristbands to go on all the rides, or you can pay per ride. And that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to pay for 3 rides, and it is £3.50 per ride. So we wanted to pick the top 3 best coasters at Adventure Island, starting with
Lovely British summer weather.
Donut, donuts, donut.
Let's go. Uh-oh. Let's go.
The next coaster is Mighty Mini Mega.
I can see my house from there. Yeah, I came up with it. That's actually right, wasn't it?
I'm really dizzy.
Oh no.
Why does it go so slow?
Donuts.
Did you know this roller coaster once had a world record of the most naked people on a roller coaster? 102 people. That's a lot of...
Oh wow, I love my picture here.
Good picture that. It worked out to be £10.50 per person at the end of the day.
Woo! We had a great afternoon at Adventure Island, and we had spare £5, so we thought we could treat ourselves and go to Las Vegas.
We're back in Las Vegas. Let's go.
Waiting for player 2. Choose your ticket.
Oh, get your
target to clear. Wait for the target to clear. Wait for the target to clear. Round 1.
Nice. high score of 160. It's like the longest game of hockey, air hockey. You won. Hey, well.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. These hooks got me scoring. See me coming from afar. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. These hooks got me scoring. See me coming from afar. Kareem.